We have to find Kayla. I've been drinking some green tea and alcohol, and I made my decision. We have to find Kayla. Oh, okay. Wait a minute. I hate Kayla. Even though I love her, she's amazing. God damn it. I'm mad. Stay strong. Stay strong. It's been 2 months and haven't thought of Kayla. Jesus. To the whiz. I need a shave. Look at me, I look like Hitler. See what I can use. Alright, now. Butter! Oh. How long has it been? 3 months? 4 days? 26 years? Now. 3 months. Well, I've gotten over that tit nigger. No! It's really my mother.